I'm a schmuck. And I'll tell you why. The other weekend, I had bought a hanging plant that I wanted to put up in a tree. And so I needed a ladder. I went down and got my old ladder out, and it's a bit wonky. And so I put it under the tree branch, and I'm trying to fasten it over. And I climb up, and the ladder's a bit shaky. And I get to the point there where on the ladder it says, "Do not cross this line." And of course I ignore that, and not only I cross that line, I get right on the base on the top of this ladder, and I'm balancing my plant and balancing on this top of my ladder here, and I'm thinking to myself, you're a schmuck. What are you doing? And I look down underneath me, and there's rocks and there's boulders and there's branches protruding up like it's going to be a hard fall. Now, I'm only just recovering from 2 sets of broken bones over the last 12 months, and I'm thinking if my wife catches me up here, I'm really going to be toast because she's the one that's got to nurse me back to health. So, it sort of got me thinking later, is that why did I do that? Why did I clearly throw caution into the wind and stick to this determination to get this thing done? And so, in many respects, I see the Sydney property market in the same light. And that is that if you think of this ladder, that the Sydney market is really started to come alive just after if you remember, we had a 6-month lead up to the election. And then once the election happened, we had some interest rates falls in the lead up and afterwards. And so since September of 2013, this Sydney property market has run up to the top of this ladder very, very quickly. Over 15% growth just in the last 12 months. And it's absolutely crazy out there. And I see the property market, the Sydney property market, literally at the top of this ladder. It's defying physics, it's defying some rational explanation, and that is that people aren't earning enough money to pay the prices that have been paid at the moment. And I'm thinking to myself, why take these risks? Because there's certainly other markets in the country that are now on the bottom rung and present far better buying opportunities and are buying at a far better type of the cycle. And so to that end, we've put together a report as to where the Sydney property market is in the cycle, but more importantly, how can you read the dashboard of what is happening in the property market? If they want to get a better understanding on where the property market is, they're welcome to download our guide, which was prepared specially for the Sydney property market and how to read the dashboard of what's going on around the country, and that's available as our download.